kindly share the name of the winners?
Yes, so I will share the name. So congratulations. We have 3 winners. So the first winner is Shantina Jana from Systems team.
Yes,
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for the extra award, sir. Thank you.
Shukanta sir, if you can speak 2 lines about him.
Yeah, so first of all, Shanti, congratulations. Let me introduce Shanti about his. Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, so first of all, congratulations, Shanti. Let me introduce Shanti about his role in Genius because there are a lot of new participants or new employees who does not know about Shanti. He's a team leader in PHR domain, particularly in leave and attendance management project under Rajiv's guidance. The one very positive side is that he's very keen to learn new things and try to implement or incorporate into the system division, into the project or the modules what is handled. And I believe that is the very positive side of a good developer. So my all the best, Shanti, all the best.
The second name is Anirudh Chatterjee from FSS Kolkata. Congratulations, Anirudh.
Congratulations.
Thanks to all of you. Thanks, sir. Thanks to all of you.
No, Anirudh, say something more about billing.
Yeah, sir. Good evening. Good evening to all the national heads, to all the branch heads, directors, and my dear colleagues. I'm really thankful for getting this award. It is really means honored for me. Special thanks to YP sir for just having a belief on me, and I just came up according to the expectation of sir. Sir, you are a real mentor. You have just shown us the path whenever we fell in any trouble. And special thanks to Pritika also. Pritika, your just follow-up management is superb. I have learned that from you, and still in a learning phase. Thanks to my team. This is the most important part. Without my team, I wouldn't have achieved that to what I have done today. It is only because of my team. No manager can do anything until their team is with us, with the particular manager. And I'm really thankful for my team. It's really an excellent team. I really thanks Ratna and to all the seniors of this company. Special thanks to my family members also, because I know the last year it was a tremendous one. Transition of the CBD from the branches. Most difficult was the Delhi, and my family really supported me because during my pujas I used to go outside, and I had a ticket and I had to cancel that, and bearing that with me and supporting me in all the time for this last 14 and a half years. This 14 and a half years is really a very challenging one, and I love it to do in the near future too. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Anirudh.
Congratulations, Ronnie.
So much.
My all best wishes. Thank you to all of you. Thanks.
Congrats, Anirudh.
Thank you, Prashantita.
Somebody from FSS, Pritika and YP, if both of you can speak for Anirudh.
Yes, sure. I think both of us would be speaking. So, Mr. Singh, मैं पहले बोलती हूँ. Okay. Congratulations, Anirudh. Very well deserved.
Thank you so much.
I must say, you know, there has been a tremendous change in Anirudh from the time he started taking care of CBD, and then, you know, being completely responsible for it. In terms of anything, you know, we talk about attendance, billing, collection. Initially, he was scared to speak to clients. Now he's opened up and clients are scared to speak to him because he talks with data. He is a very good person and heart, very committed, very hardworking, and has built up and established the team for himself. And that is the change which I have seen in him. Very well guidance, and he accepts, the positives, which is a very important thing to be done by anyone. So I'm very happy that we are a team, and I'm sure there is more success lying for you, Anirudh. So all the
Thank you so
best
much.
and my best wishes to you.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Well, congratulations, Aniruddha, once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
This seller of the award really suits you, in this year, isn't it?
Right, sir. Yeah.
See, one of the best thing about Aniruddha is very cool-headed guy, very good human being. In fact, in today's training program, most of the parameters which sir has elaborated, and given the points, to managing self, in quite a, finer way. Most of the points, goes with Aniruddha. He's very cool. His time management is good. He's very disciplined. His family values are good. He definitely, manages work life and the family life very well. In fact, I wanted him in my division since long, but somehow I was not getting the opportunity. I was only talking to sir that, I need Aniruddha in my division, but he was into PF Trust and so many things in that time. But finally, somehow I could manage to get him in my division, and after that, the CBD started. And the best thing about Aniruddha is very good in figures. His analytics are good. His MIS, his management of ABCD, the mail communication to all the clients with all the details. And last year, the kind of situation he dealt with, the kind of issues he dealt with, in couple of branches like Calcutta, Delhi, and Chennai. It was outstanding. I mean, in that situation, if somebody else would have been there, he would have resigned. I must say, the kind of problem he faced. But hats off, Aniruddha.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
And, you never deviated from your process. You kept your patience along with your team. And today the result has been phenomenal, Aniruddha.
Sure,
I mean,
sir.
you are really doing good. And after this, there will be no looking back for you. Congratulations.
Sure.
Once
Thank you
again.
so much. Thanks to all of you, sir. Thanks, sir.
Thank you so much, YP sir. Okay, the third award, before Pritika ma'am announces, we will play a song and it will give you a hint to guess the person who has won in this category next. So I'm playing the song. Okay, any guesses now?
Abhishek Mukherjee.
Abhishek.
Abhishek Mukherjee.
Yes, the third award goes to
Abhishek,
what a reputation you have. Congratulations.
Congrats,
third
Abhishek.
award goes to Abhishek Mukherjee, corporate HR.
Congrats.
Congrats, Abhishek.
Congrats,
Abhishek, can we have you here with the mask on?
Hello, am I audible to all?
Yes, you are audible.
Thank you so much for the song, Kunal. Okay. Thank you so much for nominating me, and Shantinath and Aniruddha is very both of them are very close to me, and me and Aniruddha sits together. So we understand that Seller of the Year is of course a prestigious one, and this is the first time I'm received this kind of award. But there is a say like a smooth sea never made a skillful sailor, right? So the last 1 year, it was difficult for us. When I was taking care of FMS from 2016, 2017, it was a national stage of FMS. Then it was one client I still remember that the one evening rather, Sapnesh came to me and said that Abhishek, we got a client called Glaxo and there is one associate to be joined. So in 4 years, the one client, one associate, and the JLL comes, and at this moment is Kunal handling and 1,535 associate with we cross a 50 crores of business, and so it's a phenomenal achievement. And thank you so much for the guidance we have from Praveer, Kunal, Kostov, all my teammates, especially on beginning of the JLL days, like Prosun and me, when we used to work 18 hours to 20 hours per day just to satisfy probably 50 to 60 reports weekly to be shared with JLL. And of course, we have a support from Aniruddha for the and the Noor for giving us support on the recruitment terms. Thank you so much, Rashmi ma'am, for patiently listening to my what kind of emotions. Sometimes I speak a lot of things to her. She understands my when I'm off, when I'm on. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kaushik sir.
Thank you. Congratulations, Abhishek.
Thank you so much, Kaushik sir, for last 12 years tolerating me, understanding me, support me, motivate me, scolding me, making me understand MISA, drafting mailer, talking to the client, giving a portfolio of FMS from very beginning. Thank you so much, sir. And I always say that you are a better human being than a boss. I don't want to see you my boss in my next life. So, and thank you so much, sir. And of course, my team, I have able to build a very strong team, starting from Prosun, starting from Konisk was a part of the legal team. Of course, Prabir was there. Then Sujoy, Akash, Montu, and Siddharameswar Raju, and Bhuvnesh was a recruitment. So I'm very thankful they've joined Genius and taken this FMS on the next stage. And so every story has its end. So my story ends with FMS, and now I am taking care of two new products. One is security and one is training. And I'm back to my HR domain after 5 years, which I was recruited as HR person in the Genius at 2008. And I'm happy to be able to serve my experience and expertise in HR and domain. Lastly, to all my juniors and all my colleagues, I just want to say one thing to finish my my speech. It is that no guts, no glory, no legend, no story. Thank you.
Wow, 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 wow.
Oh, Abhishek, Pachina. Congratulations.
Kaushik sir to speak something about Abhishek da.
Let Rashmi speak something about Abhishek.
Okay. Rashmi ma'am, over to you.
Yeah, thank you so much, and good evening to all. Good evening to sir. First of all, congratulations to all the winners who have won today, and you really deserve the award. And this is the first time that we are doing a virtual award, but none to say the zeal, the togetherness, the connectivity, we are still feeling that people are shouting for their own branches, for their own people. So that spirit is still there, even though we are virtually connected. So we can see that how Genius as a family, we have come together for even in this awards night, and it is really commendable. Now, yes, Abhishek, very congratulations to you, and it's a well-deserving award. Sailor word definitely suits you, because I have seen you when I joined in 2007. You joined in 2008 in HR. I have seen you from those days when you were in HR. So, and you were always seen as a very tall man, very handsome man, and all the girls would come to you, you know. And very aptly, that song which Kunal sung, Kunal played, you know, it goes to you. But all the jokes apart, you are a very hardworking and dedicated professional. I have seen you how, HRMS, you have tried to establish FMS with JLL client, and how you have successfully done that, and passing on the reign to Kunal. So my best wishes to you. And in HR admin, that is the one division where you rock, and you keep rocking. And my best wishes to you, Abhishek. Thank you.
Thank you, Rashmi. Thank you.
Thank you from Abhishek da. Thank you from me.
Yeah, I would like to speak for 2 minutes. In fact, this is actually the moment for me to speak also. Um, Abhishek, who joined 12 years back in Genius, I recruited him seeing his body language and the agility. And I would say he has been flexible. He is very flexible in terms of understanding the requirements. Whenever
Yes, he is flexible.
Whenever I've given certain assignments to him, he has never said no. In fact, he make him understand about the entire aspect, and cajoling him is very easier, and he understands the reason why I'm saying that. And likewise, he was reluctant as of taking FMS as a product. But however, when I told him as to why he should take it up, he agreed, and ultimately it is showing the results. In fact, he has been instrumental in terms of building the foundation of FMS. Last year, why he has got this the Sailor of the Year, the reason being last year we got JLL, and JLL being one of the toughest clients, and FMS team was small. This project was big. He went to Delhi. He established the relationship with the JLL officials, and the major thermolytic phase for JLL was the first 6 months, and wherein he and his team has had given exorbitantly good support in order to establish FMS further. And I wish Abhishek all the very best, and you are doing a great work in HR also, and keep it up.
Thank you, sir. Category is Emerging Leader of the Year. Leadership is not about glorious crowning acts. It's about keeping your team focused on a goal and motivated to do their best to achieve it, especially when the stakes are high and the consequences really matters. It is about laying the groundwork for others' success and then standing back and letting them shine. That is all about a leader. And to do the honors, I would like to call upon Rashmi ma'am.
Yeah, so the first award goes to Ravish Chaudhary. Congratulations, Ravish!
Ravish,
Ravish, congratulations!
Congratulations,
congratulations! Ravish, congratulations!
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations, Ravish.
Thank you to all seniors.
Congratulations, Ravish.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to all seniors, location head, and my peers and colleagues. It has been a learning experience that I just being inside Genius, and it's been a huge experience. I learn from every single conversation that happens, and thanks for the guidance and support that I've received from my seniors, my colleagues, and my juniors also. And just looking forward for the same support and guidance in the future too. Thank you.
I would like Abir to say something about Ravish.
Well, it's definitely a long journey for Ravish, I would say. And first time when I met Ravish, I took the interviews and everything. I found out that Ravish is a very sincere, methodical guy. Again, I would say he's very disciplined, very down to earth, and he likes to follow process and procedures. At the same time, he is very hardworking, very analytical. I have seen him handle PGC almost single-handedly in Delhi at the inception, and he had handled very difficult clients at that point of time. So equally good in BD and operations. And Ravish, congratulations. Wish you all the best. You really deserve this. My heart goes out to you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Rajashri, should I announce the second winner?
Yes. Thank you so much, Abhi sir, Manish sir, Ravish. Ma'am, you can announce the second name.
Okay, the second name is from System, and the award goes to Anirban Bakchi.
Yay!
Congratulations, Anirban.
Sorry, actually my headphone is not working. Good evening, everybody. First of all, I like to thank our beloved MD sir for giving me the opportunity to work in this esteemed organization. And then I would like to thank two of my mentors, Mr. Shukanto Bhattacharya and Mr. Swanendu Vishwas, for giving me support, for believing on me. And obviously, then I like to thank Mr. Shopne sir and for giving me the support for compliance, and obviously my team. They all put together the hard work, and that is lead to the success, lead to the award. Thank you, everybody.
Congratulations, Anirban.
Thank you so much. Shukanta sir, if you want to add something here.
Yeah, Rajashri. So Anirban, congratulations. Let me introduce Anirban because he has just spent 1.5 years in this company. He is a project manager in system division, and he's handling the compliance domain along with a few PHR projects. He's experienced developer, and he's having very sound technical knowledge and skill on that particular technology and the domain. When he joined, we can remember that he did not have any idea of core compliance part. But he gained that by doing very hard work. Definitely, he got help from Manush and Sandeepan, and obviously from Shapnesh. And today, he has built the strong base of the compliance domain, which is actually required for any project manager. All the best, Anirban. Keep it up. And I'd also request Shapnesh and Shandan if they can share a few words for Anirban.
Yes, Anirban, first of all, congratulations. You've really done a great job, and since you're very methodical, you know the process, you did the hard work. You're the one whom I've seen from the beginning, who done the research study, who have gone through the labor law books also. Generally, any system team person will not go through the legal, but you took the pain to understand what actually labor law is, what is a license is called as. You attended the training program, which Rajashri, he was also part of the training programs which we conducted. So he took all the pain, and that is what a leader is, who knows from the beginning what need to be done, how it need to be taken care. And I wish you all the best. Mr. Bhattacharya, since both the person who was handling compliance product have got the award of the performers and the leaders, so I hope now this product will be launched soon.
Definitely. It's almost launched, and we are waiting for the final cut of that.
Yes. Now they don't have any option. They've been awarded, so they have to launch it now.
Exactly.
And finally, the next award is very close. The name is a very pet name and very common name in CBD. The award goes to Ratna Chetri.
Wow. Ratna,
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to everybody. Well, this award definitely, it does not only belong to me, it belongs to my entire team. It belongs to all the branches. It belongs to YP sir, it belongs to Pritika ma'am, and it belongs to everybody. I would like to thank my entire team, all the branch heads, Ashish sir, Naveen ji, Manish ji, Shiv sir, Deepak ji, Kaustav, all the dear area in charges, and definitely YP sir. He has always been a very, 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 very big support for me. And also a big thank you to Pritika ma'am. I will ensure that I keep on working in the same way. Thank you so much.
Oh, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats, Ratna. I would
thank you so much.
YP sir to say something about her.
I would request first Pritika to speak something about her, and then I'll speak.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Congratulations, Ratna. Very well deserved. I have known Ratna right from the day she has joined. She joined in PSS, and then she was transferred in FSS. So when she joined, she was a little girl who came with almost just 1 year of experience. And now, it feels so nice to see her taking responsibilities, being accountable. She has molded the team very well. Her team is one of the most vibrant teams. She does very good servicing for the client, and her acceptance to changes are very well, and very very systematic in nature, has good control on numbers, and I'm sure she has a long way to grow and grow. So my best wishes to you, Ratna. Do well, and I'm
Thank
very
you so
proud of
much.
you. All the best.
Thank you so much.
Once again, Ratna, congratulations
Thank you
for
so
getting
much,
this,
sir.
the most prestigious award. The award speaks about itself, the Emerging Leader of the Year. So you should be feeling very proud of it. About Ratna, I mean, when I took her from PSS, I was just given the options that, whom you will select. There were 3, 4 options in. So I just opted for Ratna. And knowing that, she's from PSS and having this recruitment background, knows nothing about, FSS. But see, initially what matters is your enthusiasm, your passionate, your passion, your love to your work, your sincerity and your honesty. And if you have this quality, everything else will follow, follow you. Skill definitely will be taught. She came to FSS and I gave her CBD. She was the first to, start the CBD from the area office. And today in 2.5 years, CBD is a reality, and we have been successful in establishing CBD all across all branches, all clients. What is best about her is, if the word perfection goes anything, about her, it goes with Ratna. She's a real perfectionist. I mean, you talk about ABC, ABCD, every time it is 100%. You talk about advance, if the critical advance is 1.5 crore, her critical advance will be below 5 lakhs. If you talk about debtors, you will not find 2-3 entries more than 60 days. So FNF management, if you ask, nothing is pending. So any parameters of CBD, if you ask, she will be perfect on each and every parameter. So she is a real perfectionist. I mean, if she just keeps on doing like this, I mean, the sky is the limit. My only thing is the best wishes to you, Ratna. Keep up the good work and be humble and down to earth every time. The success, whatever comes, you need to keep yourself very humble and down to earth every time. Congratulations once
Yes,
again.
sir. I
God
will,
bless
sir.
you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
It is the most prestigious award, the Employee of the Year. I know no single formula of success. There is no such formula for success. It is only hard work. But over this past, like 2.5 years, what I have observed that some attributes of the Employee of the Year are universal and often about finding ways of encouraging people to combine their efforts, their talents, their insights, their enthusiasm, and their inspiration to work together. Again, there has to be nominations in this category, so I'll read out those nominations definitely. And to do the honors, may I ask Mr. Kaushik Majumdar to be ready with the winner list.
Yes, yes, I'm ready.
So let me tell you that there are actually this time we had such a bad fight that we have increased the winners number from 1 to 2. So you may guess 2 names from this list. Okay, Kaushik sir, you may announce the first name, please.
Yes, rightly suggested. It is basically, he is the quintessential part of systems, quintessential part of the organization. Vishwarup Bhattacharya, systems.
Congratulations, Vishwarup.
Congrats.
Congrats, Vishwarup.
Congrats, Vishwarup.
Congratulations, Vishwarup.
So in May month, I just completed my 10 years, and this year same I winning this award. So really, I'm really thankful to my entire HR team for hosting the award night in a virtual mode. And I thanks to I want to thanks Aparajita for selecting me for Genius. Otherwise, I cannot add this feather to my hat. And I thanks to Shukanto sir and Sonandu sir for tolerating me for long 10 years, and give me the privilege to implement such a wonderful and technical things like hyper converged and then terminal server then VPN, then Active Directory, then automated backup systems. So thanks to you, and I want to thanks my ex colleagues and my teammates like.
Tobik.
So may I want to thank Srikat, Ornob, then Shovik, Sam, Kanchon. So we all dream for this day when one day will come when we will achieve this category of award. So
Talking.
enjoy. And lastly, I would like to tell entire Genius family, for any technical issue, systems team is always be with you. So just chill. Thank you.
And may I ask Shukanto sir to say something about it?
I think let us first Shanandu say, then I'll speak.
Yeah, good evening all. Good evening all. Let me talk about Vishwarup. Only I just want to give one example for his dedication. That due to lockdown, his wife and daughter was stuck 2 months in Mumbai. Okay, so there is no chance for by flight they will able to come back. So for that he arranged one car from Calcutta, run by two to four night and day, and come back with his daughter and wife. But in the car itself is carrying the laptop, and he has also bought one dongle to connect and communicate. So entire road he was connected with me, Shukanto, and giving the support for this terminal server and other things, so that our people can work smoothly in the lockdown situation through terminal server. Hats off to Vishwarup for your dedication and the commitment. Thank you so much. Sukant, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Shanandu. Thank you, Rajarshi. Yeah, so Vishwarup, congratulations for this award. You really deserve for this. And we know that you have completed 10 years in Genius. And I have seen you to grow from very novice tech guy to very matured and skilled tech engineer. There is really a long journey, but really you have achieved. See, all we know that technology is always a very challenging domain. And we don't know what will happen even in next minutes. But Vishwarup and his team are always ready to face any kind of challenges. The positive side is that they know, see, but Vishwarup and his team are always ready to face any kind of challenges. And the positive side is that they know they have to come to me with the solution. Last but not the least, I should mention his extraordinary effort during lockdown period, which was to configure the entire work from home setup, management of the bandwidth, security, backup, file access, etc. And he did it within 2 days as per our planning and expectation. Thank you, Vishnu, for that, as you helped me to keep my and our team's commitment to the management and to the entire company. As Shandan has mentioned that during the lockdown period, how he gone to Mumbai to bring back his wife and daughter, and how he was in touch with the entire Genius family, particularly to me and Shandandu, to give support and walk from the car with the laptop and dongle. It shows Vishwarup your maturity, capability, dedication, and sincerity towards the company. All the best, Vishwarup. Keep it up. Thank you.
And the next winner, hold it on. We ask Kaushik sir to announce the name
Yes,
now.
yes, rightly. So, Ankush
Congratulations. Thank you all. Thank you.
Congratulations.
First of all, I must confess in the beginning that I was not at all expecting it until I saw my name in the nomination list here. So I don't have a speech prepared also, but definitely it's a very special moment for me in Genius. And it's a privilege for me to speak on this occasion. And to start off, I would like to thank Sir, all the directors, seniors, and especially my dear colleagues whose contribution and support has been integral in this wonderful journey of mine in Genius. It has been 14 years, And throughout these 14 years, Genius has been nothing less than a second home for me, and my colleagues has been nothing less than a extended family to me. In fact, I have spent some of the best moments of my life in Genius itself, and I still relish them. Then it has been 14 years. I had to wait for this, but it is this long wait, perseverance, patience that makes this moment and this award even more cherishable and, of course, memorable also. We have not been, things has been difficult over the last 4 months. None of us were accustomed to what we have been through over the last 4 months, and recognition of my efforts at this difficult time will definitely motivate me to help my morale and give my best as always. Wish everybody, let's everybody stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.
Congratulations, Ankush.
Thank you.
Congrats, Ankush, once again.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Very best to you.
I would definitely request CMD sir to say 2 lines about him. Without your speech, his award is definitely not complete.
First of all, my heartiest congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You know, Ankush, being working with me, sometime I have forgotten what you deserve, you know, but nevertheless, it is late. I have rarely seen a person so sincere and committed to a profession, you know. Very rarely, I tell you. I have met so many people in my life while working within the company, outside the company. I have developed so many clients. I know so many HR people. I used to do so much of development of business. But very rarely I have seen a committed, sincere person and dedicated to the company. I am privileged to have you in the company and with me, you know. Ankush, and not only to the profession, but you have been also very good a family man. I see how you manage your family. I have not seen, very rarely I have seen a late, very few leave you take, but you manage your family so well. For me, I mean, so many years he is working with me. My life has been comfortable from the professional angle only because of Ankush. His follow-up, his management of paper, management of document, management of MIS. He's so good on the data. Whatever data I give it to him, because a lot of data I have to extrapolate and I have to do approval. The approval, which is almost about 30 crores of management of advance. And lately I have completely left on him, you know, and he manages it so well. So Ankush, it is not only that you are a man from HR, but now I can see that you are a man also from the figure and economic oriented and the data oriented. So being with me, being with Genius, it's a privilege, you know, and I wish you all the best. You do well in life. Thank you.
My privilege also, sir, my association with Genius. Thank you, sir.
Category of award, it is the Best Location Head of the Year. This award, it was observed that this location and its head competed with many noteworthy realities and gruesome risk. Their success went beyond normal plan versus achievement. Their members were encouraged to engage with clients and get them in confidence to showcase the profession and shout loud and proud about why Genius Consultants is the best. So again, in this category, I have multiple nominations, but to do the honors, I will like to call Mr. Swapnesh Kumar. Swapnesh sir, please be ready with the winner list.
It's Manish Kumar from Delhi.
Congratulations, Manish.
Sir, congratulations.
Congratulations,
Manish. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Manish. For Delhi.
Congratulations, Manish.
Congratulations, Manish.
Many congratulations, dear.
Congratulations, Manish sir. Thank you, everyone. I am pleasantly surprised, you know, after listening my name just now from Swapnesh, you know. So seriously, you know.
Sir, before you go ahead and share the speech, what is the count for Delhi?
10.
Count with this has become 10.
10.
Yeah. So I'm so proud of my team. Yeah. So, when you take in hat trick, 3 wickets in cricket is called hat trick. And in fact, a week back only, I was reading somewhere that if someone grabs 4 continuous wickets, it's called double hat trick. Today, it's a double hat trick for me. 4 consecutive years, 4 consecutive award. And this award becomes cherry on the cake, being from the Hall of Fame category. Today, I truly feel that all my hard work and passionate working of the last 10 months in Delhi and 4 years in Mumbai has actually paid off. A very good evening to respected CMD sir, directors, national heads, location heads, and all my dearest colleagues. Today, I must confess something in front of all of you in this forum. When I was given this opportunity of being location head of Delhi, sir, I was both excited and terrified. Excited because I got a chance of going back to Delhi, where I have my own house, which I bought 8 years back. But at the same time, I was terrified too, to be very honest, because I was thinking that if my predecessor, having spent 17 years in this company, if he is not able to handle the control follow business, then how will I be able to actually do this? However, since I had already did some of the work in Mumbai, somehow I was confident that I would be able to pull it off nicely. Now, let me tell you, all of you, that whatever I had thought of, the situations of Delhi in September 2019, somehow when I came, situation was much worse, let me confess today. Out of many challenges, the 3 major challenges which I had was declining FSS business, which YP sir knows very well. Impression of overall Delhi clients about Delhi team across all the products, and losing confidence of Delhi team about leadership, about their future, about their job losses, etc. So what exactly I did? I stuck to 5 P's of business success. Certainly slightly different from what Mr. Philip Kotler said, in the marketing guru. So what I did was process, people, positivity, passion, and perseverance. And let me tell you that all my team members accepted me with open heart, and they all helped me to this extent, be it Samik, Dhiman, Ram, MS, Ravish, Lalit, and the entire team. And with the proper process in place and happy people around me, let me tell on this forum today that we at Genius Delhi are ready to fly and fly high. Have a very great evening. Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations. Thank you so much, Manish sir. May I now request CMD sir to say 2 lines about him?
So, Manish, I used to meet him in the ISF conference and seminar. And as usual, he was very dynamic, smiling and approachable, networking, and he used to come and meet with me, So like that, many people mix with me, but the philosophy of the Genius has been not to take people from outside, but to groom the people from within, But somehow he was very impressive during whatever connections I had with him, backed by his qualification and experience. When the opportunity came, I contacted Manish. I consulted all the national head here in Calcutta, and everybody voted for you, and finally you boarded, And you did extremely good job in Bombay, Manish, and because of that, Bombay stabilized. The number went up very high, and some of the good clients we got during your tenure under the leadership of Siv and what you handled there. Then finally, the problem came in Delhi. So again, I consulted all the people. And there was, I said, no, finally let Manish come. And I vetoed and you came to Delhi. So I think some people maybe had thinking that kya hoga, nahi hoga, but I was quite convinced, because see, if a person has a process, has a confidence, and he knows the expertise, he will sell over the difficult. See, managing a good time and managing a difficult time is a difficult, Most of the people likes to come in a good time. Very few people likes to come into a difficult time. But you came in a difficult time and you really managed well, Manish. Today, most of the clients are happy with Delhi branch. We do not get any escalations. Business has started coming back. It is only because of your people management, the team management. You are very good. The process management, your understanding, your analysis power of the figure, the fact, and the data, and you present what the client and to us. So finally, you are a winner, Manish, and a winner gets award like this. I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Branch of the year, the best branch of the year. The best branch of the year award recognizes and highlights the immense work that the branch member gives to branches in developing and supporting our staffing profession. This branch is known for their enthusiasm, commitment, and always highlighted their fantastic work that has been achieved. The best branch of the year award is a unique award given to a state branch that has made outstanding contribution towards the advancement of the business. Okay, so I would request again CMD sir to be ready with the winner's name.
The best branch award goes to Hyderabad.
Vanakkam Ashish, vanakkam.
Congrats, Ashish. Congrats.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all directors, national heads, and all location heads, and all my colleagues and team members. So it is a combined effort. If you say I was waiting for this award from last 13 years, because every year we tried our level best to compete with all the branch, but somewhere we were not in the competition, but every time we were expecting this. But thanks all seniors who has guided, sir also, in our bad times and good times you have guided us, and we have come up in all the parameters. So thank you. It is a team effort. So thanks to my team who is doing extremely good, and they have supported me in all the times. So it is a combination of all. So it is efforts of all of Hyderabad team. So thank you, sir. Thank you.
CMD sir, would request you to say something about Hyderabad.
So, Ashish, your journey is a wonderful in Genius. I remember in Mumbai branch under Srish, we had taken you, and then we wanted somebody in Hyderabad, and then when I approached you that you had some accident also, and then I agreed, fine, we'll give you the money and in installment, because those days we didn't have so much of money. I remember those cases, and finally your accident was over and you got the full money. You came to Hyderabad. You have been very consistent, very serious, and you had also very unlucky. You have been unlucky for quite a few years. You built, you went to 1,000, you went to 2,000, again you came back to 1,000. Not once, I think thrice you came.
Yeah, thrice.
Your chances of getting the award each time went up and then suddenly depleted. So, but remember it, the training program which I said, the patience, the perseverance, the confidence, the time management. So all you have been practicing, and we all have been watching for so many years with you. But remember it, anybody who is persistent and have a patience, and वो एक ही जगह में जब लगा रहता है, देर होता है, लेकिन सवेरा भी जरूर होता है,
Yes.
So that has come, Ashish, and phenomenal. Last year was phenomenal for you, for the Hyderabad, and the revenue and the margin, the profit, every area you excelled, and even the retaining of the manpower. So wish you all the best. Continue to do like this way, Ashish. All the best to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, YP sir, Shiv sir, all seniors. Thank you, sir.
The next award is the best division. The best division of the year 1920. One is the division of the year, and other is the national head of the year award. These are the two most prestigious and significant awards. After going through our rigorous research and claiming the excellence on the parameters such as business ethics, corporate governance, workplace culture, goodwill, innovation, these divisions have been considered to be the best in the company. So we are delighted to present you the best division, and the best division of the year goes to, there is no nomination here, we have only one division which has been chosen by the management and the leaderships. So CMD sir, I would request you to kindly share the name of the division.
PSS, Permanent Staffing Solutions.
Oh, super.
Congrats, Pritika.
Congratulations, Pritika.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Pritika.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Pritika.
Congratulations, Pritika.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wow.
Congratulations, Pritika.
Thank you,
Congratulations,
Rashmi.
ma'am.
Thank you. Wow. I mean, that's a feeling which I first have. So it's like, wow. Thank you so much. I mean, I really don't know what to say. This is definitely a surprise and a real pleasant surprise. I'm so happy. I would definitely like to thank many people here. So I would like to thank you for considering, us even deserving for this award. I would like to say that, taking this role of a national head for PSS, I was very, very young. But sir, you had a lot of confidence and I took it. And I think this was one of the best decisions of my life. It made me more responsible, accountable, very, very quickly, not only for myself, but for the team and for Genius as a whole. Building the team pan-India last year was one of the most challenging tasks. And making all of them successful was equally important. I think I've been lucky. I must say, I have some very, very good people in my team. Some of the best people are there, right from Ananya to Rakhi, Sampurna, Yamini, and, all the people, the entire team. I thank all of them for bringing out the best in me. And I would also like to thank the other departments who ensure that our quality is not compromised, starting from HR for giving us this team, which is the best team. Systems for giving us the technology. Accounts for ensuring that whatever we work is converted into billing and collection. BD team for bringing some of the best clients.
Thanks, Pritika.
Thank you. And to everyone who has contributed to our success. This is definitely a surprise, sir, and thank you so much.
Let me start before you tell me. So, Pratika, of course, this year starting is the worst year for PSS. But the last year was a phenomenal year for you, whether it is the revenue, the margin, the penetration, the client, team building was excellent during the last year. And that is the reason you are getting this award. Now, after the Suman departed from Genius, firm staffing, I didn't know what to do, honestly. And whether to bring a senior person from outside or shall I take the bet on you, So with a lot of evaluation and calculation and the business understanding, whichever I have, with that I thought, let me give the business to you rather than bringing the people from outside. And that time you hardly had about, I think, 4 or 5 years of experience you had. With 4 to 5 years experience handling nationally and that to perm staffing is more by a relationship with the HR world it works, And in 4 and 5 years you can't build with most of the HR world and the senior people, because you were too, in terms of age and experience, you were too less you had. But then I had the conviction that you will overcome this, maybe not in 1 year or 2 years. So you really struggle. You really struggle for maybe 2-3 years, And finally, the last year became a really successful bumper year for POM staffing, where you had a huge growth. And not only you had a growth, but you also launched the product across the country, and that could be a very fast speed. It is not easy to build a team across the country, which you build and you made successful. And because of that, the POM staffing name, I tell you, moved like a fire in the market, because the Genius is coming all India. Unfortunately, this year this situation has come. Otherwise, we would have really penetrated in PSS this year. So the fire which you have, Pritika, to understand, to move very fast, and to take the decision, work very hard, and do the calculation, be the analytical, continue like this, and do well in life. All the best to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot, and I'm sure we will overcome this, and next year we will build PSS even better and more than what we have done today. Thank you so much, sir.
The National Head of the Year. This man has the following qualities: ensures operational excellence across the tactical and day-to-day people activities, collaborates with the people team to develop and deliver organization plans to support achievements. He's a role model, absolutely. Be a great leader, a manager who builds effective relationship and gets stuck in. Represents the business externally within the industry and other forums to enable, support the achievement of greater recognition of the business as a place to work.
20 is the Kaushik Majumdar.
Thank you, sir, and all my dear colleagues. I'm privileged to start with. 2019-20 was a very challenging and eventful year for our division and for me. Why I am saying so, let me just tell you a few instances. Like recruitments were a major issue. Right from building my own team, there were few resignations. My own team was to be built up. There were vacancies. There were vacancies to be filled up. There was an additional pressure of building the PSS team. Although we never achieved the benchmark that we have created of 3%, we were always hovering around 10% in recruitments. However, we could achieve almost around 31 to 32 joinings per month over the year, financial year 19-20, and we could overcome the major challenges in recruitment. That is one of the aspects why I'm saying it was a challenging and eventful year. Second, in terms of FMS, it was a small division, although launched in 2018-19, but we got a major boost with JLL coming in, wherein the revenue and the margin got a boost of more than 1000%. But with the new client like JLL coming in, there were additional responsibilities and the requirements to streamline the operations, mainly pertaining to the compliance, pertaining to the recruitments, pertaining to the overall operations, payrolling. This was a major issue. Again, coming to HRMS again was a consolidation year for us last year. We had few good clients that were actually we did the customization and the consolidation rollout. We added clients like Aditya Birla, which was a big turmoil for us initial phase. Now, other than that, I would also stress upon the fact we launched training division. That was again planning and implementation part took a toiling for us. In terms of legal, I would say the launch of contract management upload, the BGC court cases management. There were a lot of legal recovery issues. Then there was a rollout of GCRM vertical. We launched it in the month of January 2019, but the rollout and consolidation started in 2019. There was a loss of senior manpower like Sujata in communication team. Kausav was very new to the setup, grooming him up. So these were the major issues that I had to face in 2019-20. And that was the reason why it was a very challenging and eventful year for me. Although every year it is a challenge for everybody. But last year was particularly a challenging year for me. And in this regard, I would like to thank few of the people. To start with, the colleagues that I had. I'm privileged to have colleagues like Abir, YP, Sudeep, Saurabh.
Thank you, Kaushik.
Pritika, Rashmi, Swapnesh, Anirudh. All of them had share a very good relationship, and I have been getting a lot of inputs from them, and which boosts up my confidence and motivation. Many thanks to you. Next, my team members, I would like to thank and congratulate to them also, because it is not only my achievement, it's the achievement of the whole team. And at the outset, I would like to thank Rashmi, Abhishek, Kunal, Prabir, Kaustav, and whole HR, admin, legal, communication, FMS, HRMS team together, without whose support I would not have been able to achieve this. Next, I would like to thank, most importantly, Sir, because under his guidance and valuable directives and leadership, I've been able to work and perform what I am doing. Thanks once again to you, Sir. Now, finally, last but not the least, I would also like to convey my thanks to my family members, my wife and my son, because of their relentless support at home, I could concentrate more on the work, and I'm ever grateful to them also on this. With this, thank you all once again, and thanks Genius. And we are passing through a tough phase. I am aware of it, and everybody is facing the COVID-19 situation very boldly. And I'm very hopeful that the next phase of our year will be very eventful and very successful years, successful months. And thank you once again.
Congratulations. And without CMD sir's appreciation and nice words and kind words, the thing will not be completed. So CMD sir, over to you.
So many of you know, but the people who are new in the company or maybe recently have joined, long back when Kaushik joined, I think about 18 years back, Kaushik?
17 years, sir.
17 years back, yes. So 17 years back when Kaushik joined, that time we didn't have the HR division of the company. Those days, HR, I used to handle all the files, the promotion, the increment, the appraisal. The file used to stay with me, which Sleep and Saurabh knows, and maybe YP also knows about this. So when he joined, I told him that we don't have HR division, but we will make HR division provided when we have 50 employees. But we made the HR division when the employees were 30 or 35 only.
Yeah.
But somehow I could understand the guy has got a spark and he can really build HR, because see, firmly I have always believed that, you know, if the HR policy of the company is good, and to manage a good please mute. To manage good HR policy, you require a very wise, knowledgeable, having a patience and persistence person. You know. Fortunately, you have, and then you came into HR division. But I tell you, I never knew that, you know, this deadly combination of line functions and HR functions, which is the backroom functions, somebody can have, you know. But but I was proved to be wrong. You had. And the last year was a true examinations or true understanding of a line function and HR function. If you flash back the last year, PSS was to be established across the country with the fresh recruitment. That you did the fresh recruitment last year. The second was even your division, which was FMS, was to be launched across the country, and across the country we had to recruit all the people, which was done completely. There was a lot of turmoil in Delhi when Manish came. People left and joined, and the Rajiv. Then finally, that was also handled very well. There were a lot of legal issues we had last year, if you remember. So those legal issues were handled very well. And finally, the 4 divisions which you handle currently is the FMS division, which were completely launched. And I think this year we are looking for almost about 60 crores of business, just in the launch of about 1.5 to 2 years. Then we launched the security, which also is looking now brighter side. We launched training division that also looks very brighter side. And HRMS, which was dormant, also became good. So that daily combinations of line function, HR functions is really good, and then you continue. But more than that, remember, Kaushik, that you are a very, very hard-working person, very committed, sincere, and coming forward. So I wish you all the best. Do like this way and continue to do like this way. All the best, Kaushik. Please give a big hand to Kaushik.
Congratulations, Kaushik.
Congratulations, Mr. Mazumdar.
Congratulations, Kaushik.
Congratulations,
Once again, congratulations, Mr. Mazumdar.
Kaushik sir.
Congrats, Kaushik sir.